Westermans here with another Bode VP10-2. So this one's actually got a chuck on. Machine being sold as seen or service to order. As you can see from the table, there's quite a lot of welding on the table. It comes with a 600 diameter chuck. Table is 1500 in diameter. Been built up on some RSJs. Give a little bit more height. Variable speed is by Carter. And foot control. And I believe also possibly with a pendant. No pendant on this one. You have your tilt up and down on the controls here. Like I say, machines being sold as seen or service to order with warranty or refurbished. Refurbished with new electrics, controls, respray. More details available on this and others on westermans.com. Being a Carter oil filled gearbox, tends to be noisier than the electronics, but that can actually be changed if required. Foot control. One direction and vice versa. This is actually noisier than most, so it could possibly lacking the oil in the gearbox. More investigation needed, but like I say, under service this would be checked and replaced where needed. Sold as seen. This literally comes with all the noises and the bangs. Seems to be a carry on there. I think the brake, by the sounds of it, the actual brake's not coming on and off as it should do on the rotation. More details available on Westermans. Thank you for looking.